It was a little too quiet on the bay last season. Though it was a challenge, the WaterFront Center was able to keep our sailing programs running, even if we had to sail a little further apart. This season, our staff have been hard at work, with the goal of bringing people together in ways that only sailing can do. We've been rebuilding our community sailing programs to be more participant-driven, and thanks to our Long Island Community Sailing Group on Facebook, we've seen more attendees than in years past, especially for our Women on the Water program. We are proud to continue our Veterans on Water and Zigzag adaptive sailing programs, provided for free veterans, active service members, and people with disabilities. And most of all, we've been excited to see an overwhelming number of new interest in our youth sailing programs. The memories created every day foster a passion for sailing and a love for the bay and this new generation of sailors. We're so proud to call every person that walks through our doors a sailor and a part of our family. It's thanks to you that our community has grown by leaps and bounds this season, and we're only getting started.
I don't wanna wake up.